Alright. So, Glacier Cave. Yan. So, ano daw to 100 years na ata to na kay, Glacier Cave. So, hindi ko alam kung paano nila na-maintain yan, yung cave na to. Pero, ang galing. So, man-made ata to na, na cave. And, ito. Woo! Galing, galing, galing. So, yun. Pero guys, kung pupunta po kayo dito, recommend ko po sa inyo na yung shoes po talaga ninyo ay yung boots ay pang snow. Marami akong mga kasama na hindi din po pumunta na dito sa ice cave gawa ng napakadulas daw, hindi kaya ng shoes po nila. Yeah. So sa akin, kaya naman. Kaya naman. Oh, all right. Take care, take care. Yeah, slippery, yeah. You have to take care. Oh, but you have to hold on here. Yeah, yeah. Don't slip, just slide. Much better. Where you came from?
From Germany.
Oh, near. Yeah. I'm from Philippines.
And you?
Yeah, Philippines. From
Philippines?
yeah.
Wow. That's so long.
Did you went there? Not yet. Try our beautiful beaches there. Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Definitely.